Well, one of the needs of being an embedded system engineer is the consideration of cost. That is, to charge us enough for quality works, not to do a mediocre job, and to charge as if it were a good and lasting one. As well as we must take responsibility if at any time our work was not as it should be, or with some failures. This problem should be solved at not cost, like one of the needs that we have. It is to keep updating ourselves since technology grows fast. Now, I talk about in terms of moral responsibility. This refers to being a responsible for a specific event or person. As I mentioned in the previous point, it is that if the work that is done is not efficient, it is to respond and not hide or want to charge for all error. Speaking of freedom, I can say that it will be through the way of solving problems, being an impartial race. There may be a way to repair the circuit. It may be that at some point in life, a simpler or more compact way of repair it, I can be free to solve the problem of anyone. We all know the meaning of obstacle is hindrance, difficult, inconvenience, among others. And one of the obstacles that I consider I can face is having a job in which I cannot solve easily or that does not become well known to me, but nothing is impossible. It will not only require looking for more information and looking for the more option to resolve this problem.
Well, finally, talking about a moral dilemma. In this profession, I consider that one of the unethical situations that can happen is when selling a device at high price, but knowing that it might have future failures, which will spoil in a short time, it will not performing adequately, among others. This can be a dilemma since you can earn more than what was invested in this device, but if it turns out bad, it may give you a bad name also or something like that.